All right, let me get this set over here. I violate every convention of keeping a clean work area when it comes to reloading. I can't keep a clean work area anyway. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and take one of the strips that he provides, or one of the pieces of paper that he provides, and cut it in half lengthwise. Like this, they're too long. So take it, fold it in half. Now this paper feels very fragile, but it's surprisingly stout. Get you a piece of paper to lay down, and then you're going to put your glue on the long, and I've got a bunch of glue on this, so this starts to want to stick. You take your glue stick, it's purple, it shows up. So get your paper, and you're going to do the long side of the paper. Put just a little bit on there. And you're going to take your former, start on put it flush with the bottom, and then you're going to want to roll it around and stick it to itself, okay? So then you get paper that looks like that, okay? And then you take your little short piece here, and there's a small opening and a large opening, and you're going to take one of your little flat circles, which by the way is 3/4 of an inch. And so when you run out of what he's giving you, get you a 3/4 inch craft punch, and they cut out beautifully. Now, so take your glue stick again and do the bottom while it's still on the mandrel. I'm going to call it a mandrel. Okay? And then center your paper on the large opening of the little small piece. Just push it down in there. Roll it around a little bit, take it out, and just kind of give it a twirl like that. Okay? Now, one of the videos that Mr. Spooky did, he cuts around it with a knife to score it. I don't want to do that because I don't want to start cutting in that plastic. This plastic is 3D printed. I don't know how hard it is, but you're going to want just a little mark on there so you know where it's at, okay? So and then just kind of wiggle. You're going to kind of wiggle it off, and then I just take a pair of scissors, cut it off. Now, what I then do is put this back on, stick it back in there, and then take it off, okay? Now you're ready to charge your paper cartridge with powder. And what I was using was 20 grains, which at 1.3 cc scoop, and instead of trying to measure it out, I put it in a little pill cup that I'll just go ahead and do it. That pills are dispensed in, or medication, and this is, once again, this is Swiss 3F, okay? And just put you a little quantity in there, it doesn't matter what. Seal your thing up. And take your 1.3 cc, or at least for the 20 grains that I'm doing, tap it off. Okay, take your powder funnel, put it there. And I was not doing it originally on the same piece of paper that I was gluing on, because I wanted to get my powder back where I needed to go. Okay, now take your glue stick. This is where I think a conical would come in much easier. And I just hold it on the end and just roll it. And you're going to get it on your fingers. It's no big deal, but okay, go around it, Now take it, just press it down into the paper cartridge. Okay. Now use your mandrel once again to just gently poke it. And like I said, the paper's a little more solid than what you think. And that one goofed up. No biggie. I'm going to dump it back in there. I'm going to put it back into the lower portion. I'm going to take my mandrel, and once again, I'm going to push it down into it. Get it formed. What happened was the ball. Okay, there we go. So now we got it back out. Okay. So now we're going to insert it back into there. Okay. Now you got a little bit of grains of powder on the glue. It's no biggie. So we're going to have to recharge it. Well, actually, I'm going to dump what it, see, had a little bit in there. No biggie. Okay. Re-glue the ball. Say it. The round ball goes into the paper wonderfully, but getting the glue to go on it is a little. You're going to get your hands on it, so no big deal. Okay, there it went in. Okay, you just take it, push it down in there. Okay, then take it, turn it over, and it pushes it. It pops out very nicely. Pop it out. Roll it around, make sure she's caught. And that is a .44 caliber paper cartridge made for the .44 caliber Navy. Those load in great. Those load in great. They go on nicely. Now you should or probably could load or lube the top. But I found that the best thing to do, at least for now, is I just use lubricated felt patch on top. And that way I don't have to worry about trying to brush on or dip or anything like that. Now, if I go to a conical, I'll probably go to a dip. But like I say, the rounds I shot in that Pietta, I was thinking I might need to put a double mainspring in it, but Piettas I think are better off on not cap jamming, and so no cap jams, and I was using Remington number 10 that I got at Shields. So I could do it a lot faster than I could explain it, but that's it in a nutshell. They're fun to do, and like I say, this can all be done well in advance, and that way I don't have to do it out on the range or down in the pecan grove. So anyway, there we go.